We're now inside the E1uLife membership board, and where we're at is the virtual training center. When you log in, you just look on the left hand side, you'll see virtual training center, and it'll take you to this page. And the first part of the virtual training center has to do with the 30-day blueprint that you can see here, and it's made for you to just watch one day at a time, and it's going to prime your mind and get you to understand what this particular entrepreneurial journey is all about. E1uLife is a business opportunity, yes it is, but it's also a service. It's also an website installation and tool suite. It has all these things incorporated within it, and mostly it is also training to enable you to achieve the ultimate success online with whatever business you're doing, or if you love what you're already doing, say you like the current job you have, this can be an additional side income that's going to free up your finances. So let's look at this. That's that 30-day blueprint. And then we have right below it different product trainings. Now, the products are 6 different packages, as you can see here. You can see there. And they range from $30 all the way to $2,500. But the good thing is, you earn instant commissions should you sell any one of these, should you refer and anyone buys these. Now, you're not required to refer or sell. That's just the affiliate program aspect of E1uLife. You get website installations, logo created, your own branded social media promotional imaging and ads and everything made for you, designed specifically for you and whatever business you choose to promote with it. You get your own email customized template set. You're going to get a customized funnel, a big time corporate style website. All of this will be built and installed for you. You know, there are other tool suites in the internet marketing realm, but they require you to do the work. With E1uLife, what you do is you'll simply come in, choose the product package you want, and you'll simply enter in how you want your particular site or your particular logo or whatever it may be to be customized, and we build it. We don't give you a whole bunch of login and trainings to show you how to build a website, how to make a logo, how to make emails. We give that to you after customizing it for your particular situation. That's a huge difference with E1uLife compared to other Webmaster services you may see. And this particular area that you see called product training, it goes in depth with the different products, what you get, the particular service you get, as well as the associated training suites. And after that, we have some trainings on sales and marketing. We show you how to set up your profile the right way. We show you how to do email marketing. We teach you about traffic and sales. And then we teach you about some other unique different tools you can use to further promote E1uLife, in particular, if you so choose to and want to make some of those instant commissions, because remember, you're getting paid instantly. And like I said, the costs are between from $30 to $2,500. So you're actually earning commissions, instant commissions, instantly paid, anywhere from $25 to $2,000. Look at how much you make per product. For example, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the products right here. Just one moment while it loads up. If you can see that drop down menu, we'll take a look at, you know what, let's take a look at the Vertex Elite. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. And here we are on the Vertex Elite access page. There's another video tutorial at the top to show you how to use this page, but it's pretty simple. You'll see the trainings are here. These are all the trainings that come with the Vertex Elite. Over here on the right side, these are different clickable titles, different clickable titles containing all the lessons that are within Vertex Elite. We were talking about branding earlier. Let's look at the branding authority lesson. You see, when you click on it, then what happens is it populates over here on the left-hand side. Now look, this one lesson out of all of these lessons is 58 minutes and 24 seconds. That's just one lesson out of that whole package. These are not just thrown together lessons. This is intense, in-depth trainings that you're getting. And being that, in this case, it's Vertex Elite, you have all the other training packages above it. See all those other training packages? You get those as well. See, everything that came before the Vertex Elite, they are included. And the services with them are included, and the earning potentials of them are included as well. Now see, this Vertex Elite in particular, it costs the customer $550. But if you were to refer it, and someone bought it through your link, you would make $500 instantly paid to you. And what I mean by instant is that it would be immediately spendable cash, immediately paid to you on whatever debit account card you set up or whatever account you set up within the back office. You'll see also on the left hand side, you see it says my account here, and under my account is the place where you would set all that payment receivables information up. And it's just a few clicks of a button and in your information. It's nothing complicated. Now, you'll also see at the bottom here, it says request custom logo, because with the Vertex Elite package, you get a custom logo designed to you. I'm not talking about something rinky-dink just thrown together. This is a professional, high resolution logo with all the right vectors that you can use in all your branding, and it's gonna be yours and yours only. This is for you, and we do it exactly how you tell us. And if you're not sure, we'll even give you a few examples and let you sort of choose. Just tell us a little bit about your business and we'll help you out. That's if your creative juices happen to not be flowing so well that day. So we got all of that, and you would just sit and click on this, and it'll go to a form just going to ask you some questions about your particular company or the image that you're trying to bring about to the public. You get it? And we go to work, get back to you. If you don't like it, we'll do a revision. No problem. Don't worry about all of that. I did want you to maybe hear some of the lessons. And let's go ahead and click play. Let's see if we can hear a little bit of this for you, just so you get a feel for it. And see, it's just easy. You just consume your lessons. You can press pause if you want. You can rewind. You can fast forward. You can even, you see, you got the picture, which means you can go ahead and surf around other areas and still have it playing while you're doing other stuff. We made it real easy for you to consume these trainings. And look at once again, look at all the titles in this package alone. This is all the different lessons you're getting. And that's just in the Vertex Elite alone. Just wanted you to get a quick little taste for that, a feel for what's that. You see, we have a marketing hub, which will make things even easier for you to promote. You see, we have the autoresponders where your leads are at, compensation plan, another explaining how you get paid, but it's all instant pay. No worries there. We do have a unique one-up system, and what the one-up system means is that your second person you refer, if you choose to refer, the very second person is going to go up to your sponsor. Now, you may say, well, I don't want to pass up someone who I worked hard to refer, and especially if they paid, I want to get paid. Well, the thing is, the one-up compensation plan is leverage, because just like you passed up the second sale, everyone who you bring in is going to pass up their second sale to you. So think about it. if you bring in 10, 50, or even 100 people, all those 10 and 100 people have to pass up their second sale to you. That's an extra form of income that's going to be flooded to you. You see how that works? This thing has been fine-tuned to maximize commissions for you. And again, we're talking about instant payments. You're not waiting a week or a month to get paid. Instant payments anywhere from $25 to $2,000 instantly paid to you. Now let's go back to the virtual training center again. And here we are. We want to go to commissions and transactions. Goes into exactly how our commission structure works, as I just went over with you briefly. The payment options, how to set up your payments receivables in the back office that I briefly mentioned also. And it just goes away to different commissions and structures. And we also are connected to Stripe for those of you who use Stripe or familiar with Stripe. And even if you're not familiar with Stripe, you can use it. Make those payments just flow even seamlessly. And don't worry, Stripe is free to join. All of this stuff, this stuff is free to join. Don't worry about anything there. And we also have webinar replays. Every couple of weeks or 1 or 2 weeks, we do try to provide webinars to just tell you what's new going on with E1uLife. Our director, Mr. Dwayne Golden, is going to be on there giving you a full overview and some insight and just golden nuggets you need to know to better promote this, to be more on top of your marketing game, so to speak, and just to maximize your commissions to as much as you can. You just click the arrow, you'll go to all the replays. You can just click there and you'll see the webinar replay, and that's E1uLife's back office. It's our back office in a nutshell. You can see what everything is, where all your referrals is. It's easy to communicate with them. I'm not going to click on it because it shows all of my referees' information and has their email, phone numbers, and all that. So we're not going to really go into there today, but I just want you to know what you're getting with E1uLife. It's not just something thrown together. You're not making money just by selling how to make money. You're getting real, actual services here. Real, in-depth e-learning classes that you can log into anytime. And these are evergreen lessons that the majority of people have no clue about. I'm talking about even the majority of people you see who are trying to sell something online. They don't have all of these trainings, but you will. And the place where you can get started at, just go to E1u.easymoneysite.biz. It'll take you to the E1uLife sales page. You'll see it. It'll give another brief overview of all the products. You'll see everything that's included on those pages. Just click the Join Now link and choose your product package. And remember, you're getting paid instant payments. But the only way you're going to get those instant payments is if you join and purchase a product package over at E1u.easymoneysite.biz. You see the address there? That's how you spell it. Go ahead and click over there and join. Can't wait to see you on the inside. I do have some surprise bonuses I'm going to give you too. I'm not going to leave you stranded. I'm William Caleb Rogers, affiliate marketing. Been doing this thing for a while, and I'm telling you, this is one of the best online opportunities I've come across in quite some time. This business has been around for a while. It's been rebranded over the last few months. It was formerly known as E1Up. You may have heard of that. You may have not. And this is just the rebranded version, updated version with lots of more services made just for you. Once again, William Caleb Rogers, and I just want to say peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. Come on in and get some of these easy commissions at E1u.easymoneysite.biz.